They will think certainly.
Yes.
I hope right. We'll be continuing from where we stopped last time. I'm aware that the last class that we held, the internet was lagging and a lot of people could not really enjoy the class. So I was actually thinking that I should make a video, like just upload the video of the last class. But unfortunately, I lost the recording for the class, and I just thought it is actually better if I should go over the class, if I should go over the class again. So tonight we'll be continuing from where we stopped last time. So if you can remember, I said that based on the last class, maybe I should open the PowerPoint for it. So based on last class, we explained some certain things. We said that um, the market always move from ranging to trending. We said that market moves from ranging to trending. That um, from here we have two general market behaviors. We have the ranging market and sideways market. And I said that market is always moving from a range to trend. Like it will start ranging, first start with a ranging pair or ranging, it will start ranging like just ranging, going back and forth in between two prices. And then all of a sudden there will be a breakout that will result into a trend or into another range. So that's actually how market behaves. So today we are going to just continue from there. So today I'll be teaching us some certain stuff. I want to use a live chat today to explain so that you know that we really mean business. So today we are going to be talking about um, some more in depth of technical analysis. I I I am still uh, what's called um, and still going to be talking about how break talking tests. Last one that according to um trendy. Market will start going back and forth between two prices. That is, it will be range between like this, up, down, up, down, up,
Yes.
out
Oh,
between two between two prices. The lower and this is the highest. Part of this diagram I just you is what we call resistance. I will explain what that resistance. I hope you see my screen. Resistance and this one is as support. So what's the meaning of resistance? What's the meaning of support? So what is lower the price when you go up to the world wanted to sell this price, this one, this level. People wanted to buy. They found this. Don't forget that this is I painted this area is price is the price. So people find this price attractive. They find it attractive enough to buy. Price whenever it keeps getting there, that is the meaning of support. The price where a lot of people were buying from, where price reaches and keeps going back up. And then resistance is whenever price is it to this place came down. What it means that people found this price at a very good price to sell their assets. So they found it at a good price to sell from. So nobody wants to buy above this
yes.
level. Whenever price
The
uh, reaches this level, people people just want to people are selling from. What is where I'm just trying to use a layman's term so that it can sink better. So and support is the price where people are buying from. So um we can have this support and resistance in a diagonal form. What do I mean? Let me quickly share it. In a downtrend, you have market going like this, down, up, down, up, down. That's diagonal market, and then you, you just see that is not price is going like this, just going like this in a diagonal form. Not support and resistance because you see this level, however, this higher part is in that whenever you that support is where people in the world found the price that people find it very very cheap to buy from. So people wanted to be buying from this is a price. So just diagonal form this is or for support and resistance. And we can have it in the other way around that it can actually look like this. Markets can look like this. So you can see what we have is a diagonal support. Please can you mute your mic another another diagonal form. So this lower is where a lot of people saw that this price. So they started price, and when he got here, they find it as this price is just need to nobody else in the world wanted to buy. So I think selling. So is also this lower part is also another support. This upper part is also another resistance in a diagonal. The way to explain this support and resistance for us is we should know that um let's say you are in a building in your room, the floor level is your support because as you are standing on the ground is supporting you. You are not going below the ground, so you are on a support, and the roof above you is your resistance. So I've said that we are treating support, resistance, breakout, retest. Maybe I should write it again. So support resistance is have the price line from under how to draw. Try to
If anything,
we enjoy it better. So draw it. Let's say you have price coming back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, like this. So how you use this to pick a trade? You just connect two levels. This point A and point B, connect it together. Let me try and draw it very well. You are seeing my screen, please. So this lower level, you connect A when it goes length. Okay, I should draw it again. This is the way to connect it. You just have point A, point B, then point A and B. So that what you do is you just need 2 points. This is your point A and this point B. Draw horizontal line, connect it together, and then do the front. Wait for new price action to form. So what you expect is that whenever price now come back down here, you should buy from there, and then it can go up here. That support price. First two shots just if it's a resistance, just connect the first touch, 1, 2, then when you extend your price we come back and touch it there. But don't forget that I'm just telling us how to draw it. So the same for diagonal as I explained. So this is your first and second so like to the front and then expect price it also change then you are expecting resistance first touch second touch draw line expect for and the same for this one also. I hope we are clear about that one. Do you understand that one please? Alright. So quickly let's now go to breakout and um retest. What's the meaning of breakout? Don't forget that price will start from a range and then into trend. That's how price moves. There will be a time that people will be buying and selling at a price range. If you remember the illustration I used in the last class, I said
Yes, we can.
price the price of maybe a bag of rice is maybe 85,000 or any price. It can be between 83, 85, 83, 85, 83, 85. Then all of a sudden it can break down. So breakout can be in two form. Price can break out in the upward direction or downward direction, please. It can. So what do I mean about that? So using using this diagram, price can do this, and then when it got to this level, it can break out means price there is no free price. It can up, come down. It can break up or break down like this. It can come down. Let me draw it. It can come down to this level and then small. Let me make this one dark color. Let me make this one blue color. So break out is it price can break out itself. It can just break upward and it can break downward. And the same for the diagonal. So it can break upward like this. Draw it. It can just break upward like this. Out. Or it can come down like this. That is clear to us for breakout and retest. And the same thing for this also. Price can behave that. So explain support time it out of this level. The psychology is that okay, you know that at this level, let me write it down, but I want to explain first. Um,
Yes, I understand.
when price go to this level, if I did very high to this level, above this level, second time, third time, then we saw they now wanted to increase the price, they wanted to go up. So people were now started buying because there was nobody in the world. So now this time now got to the level and then all of a sudden boom, people were not buying from this level. When say you don't find this level to sell from, they now want to buy from that level. There was a time that dollar was like 710 and then people were like 710 is too expensive and then all of a sudden you see some people they buy at that 710 knowing that price will still go up. So this level, it was people were not buying the law that was trying to uh, discuss support will turn to resistance after breakout. Resistance turn source. This same from level by test. It means that whenever price trace people, this was broke out line from it. Let me make this one color green again. So they started buying this place. So this blue line they broke out from this price where the breakout. So the test now means that now to that level where they were selling from before, and then they now broke out of the level. It's now come and retest. That's why it's like retest. It came back to that level at retest. They expect that okay, since that people are no longer selling from here, they are now buying. Whenever price got to this level again, that people dey also want buy again. And the same for um support for support. So what I mean about support is that place of now it was broken and then level, but it now turns to support. Support is where people are buying from. So whenever from the first story to the second story. So if you are in the first floor in a story building, the roof of the second floor will be your resistance. But when you now climb to the second floor, it means that the roof of the first floor will now become your support. I hope that is clear enough. Please, out together. All right. So for support also, the retest, it means that price will can go back like this. Whenever it gets to it to why? Because before nobody wanted to sell from people who buy from this level. All of a sudden, at the breakout from this red line, at the breakout of this zone, so we now expect that people who instead of buying, they are no longer buying. They now wanted to sell. So we now expect that whenever price now retrace back to that level, we expect that it should now turn to resistance. From that, that's why we say that resistance. So then they have that from trend areas support breakout will happen from that range. Price will not stop you and raise now back to it will be that support or resistance. So I hope that's really clear to us. I explain about it. Just connect first point and extend the line. first point, second point, extend your line. Use for that point, first point, second point, extend your line. Wait for price come back to the top and you expect it to go up from that level. So that is that about that. So I'll now quickly be rushing to the next, which is about um trend. Trend. You know, we said price behave generally in two ways. In two ways. According to last class, I just want to quickly show us that price behaves generally in two ways. We have range or sideways, and then we have trend. So I've explained range. Market will start from a range and then it break out into a trend. You can see this place also. This is where the breakout happened. And we said that breakout can be above, it can break up above the range or it can break down below the range. So this is a breakout in an upward direction. So for trend, we said that we have two types of trend. We have uptrend and we have a downtrend. We have uptrend and downtrend. And according to last class, I explained that in uptrend, you always have series of higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Meaning the market will be going, it will be forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And for a downtrend, market will also be forming lower highs because this the previous high, the new high will be lower than the previous high. The new high will be lower than the previous high. The new high will be lower than the previous high. So lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower highs and lower low. So the same thing if you want to draw trend, if you want to know the trend of a market, there's a let me write it, which is the trend from the trend is your friend. If you can remember that during our
Yes,
last
yeah.
class, somebody actually asked a question that can our money really move price? Can our money as a retail trader, I found $10, I found $100, I found $20, can it cause price to move since that price are always going towards the direction of the biggest liquidity? I mean, wherever we have the biggest money is where price will go, is where the market will go, and the increase in demand will cause increase in price, decrease in demand will cause decrease in price. So the person asks that can our money push price? And I said no, that we have a lot of people that are trading the market. They are actually referred to as a collective name, they call them smart money. Smart money, that they have big pool of money and they have the understanding of the charts. They know how to analyze the data in the market. So they have money to push the price and they have understanding of the market. So it means that they are more smart because they have money to cause market to go in their direction, and they also understand how market behaves also. So they are called smart money. Who are the smart money? They are like big banks, commercial banks, um, big companies, and central banks. They are big companies that have big pool of money, and it can be private company that has big pool of fund. So they actually are the ones moving market. So what do I now mean by the trend is your friend? So what we need to do is, you know that our success in trading relies on our ability to forecast whether price will go up or down. So we should be able to, is whenever our what's it called, prediction or analysis is accurate, that is when we will make money. So what we need to, and since we cannot push the price on our own, so what we are doing is we just want to see what the smart money want to do in the market, and then we want to join them. So what you want to do is you want to make sure you are at the right side of the train, not on the wrong side. So you want to make sure you are doing what they want to do. So if you go against the trend, if you see that the smart money they are causing price to just, they are pumping price up and up and up and up and up. Market is forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And if you are in a uptrend, so what the rule means is in uptrend only look to buy. Uptrend market is trading up, only look and how this client have experienced in last market with uptrend, you you be seeing higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, this and this like that. Okay, so now just higher lows, higher like this shop is because this high previous high it was broken. It was broken because I don't think big times what break structure. You saw that this high was broken and then a new high that is higher than it now. You saw that this new high is also broken. Sorry, the second one. This new high that was formed also broke. Price went out, broke it again. Another high was formed above it. Then the third also was broken. So whenever you can see something like this in the market, showing that price is going up and up, it keeps forming higher highs, and this low is higher than the previous one. This no low is higher than this previous one. So it shows that in this place, market is in uptrend. Here, market is in uptrend. Because market breaking structure higher, 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 higher. In this kind of market, what you do is you find opportunity to also join them and buy. You know that everybody is buying. So what we do as a retail trader, the funny way I explain it is you want to catch a moving vehicle, you want to catch a moving train. So the train is not waiting for you. So you need to be smart and look for places where it will be easy for you to jump in and also follow them and make money. So that's the way it is. So if you now want to go against them because you know that even here though price behave is it doesn't just pump up and just going up. In that, in every market it will, you see buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell. So price will go up and then go up to come down, it will go up. If not, except you really know what you are doing, you try to just broke up above you it's really what you should join them to buy. If you want to join them to buy in uptrend, in uptrend. And the same goes for a downtrend. In a downtrend, you see markets behaving this way. Now, now market will be breaking structure to the side. So it's a trend because we saw that previous this previous structure here was broken at this second one. I hope we're together, please. All right. It's also broken. So I think that price is breaking something down. So price is forming lower and this high. This is lower than the previous. This is lower than the previous. This is a downtrend. In this kind of market, what you what you should do is you should only find you know that are selling. The smart money are pushing price down, down, lower. They are selling. So what you should do is you should also find to join the sell. So you only should just find opportunity to join. That's why I say the trend is on the times the trend can bend. What do we mean by that? Before we go into more complex one, let me quickly just mention this because we are going deeper and let me show us how trend bends. So in uptrend, market can be going like this. Higher high, this higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Is in trend. What, what do you mean by that? I think you should be able to see what the even say that from here, broke point in uptrend, you should be having what? You should be having higher highs and higher lows. Um, for downtrend, I want to write it out. For downtrend, you should be having lower. Sorry, for downtrend, you have lower highs and lower lows. Lower highs, lower lows. Downtrend. So in uptrend, you are having higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher highs. So market should just get somewhere around here before it now go up. But what is that markets did not let me make it yellow. Okay, market did not form low, higher low. It now start is after all of a sudden this low. That shows that trend is about to bend. When you saw that this place. So that's just how to know when a trend has bent because you have been seeing higher, higher low. You have seen higher low. You not see higher low again. It not broke the previous higher low. When the previous higher low is broken, you see a lower low. This new low is lower than the previous low. So it's showing us that the trend is bending from there. This also happens in the market that price will be forming higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, and then all of a sudden it will just change. So the term they use for it is change of character. It's like they went from buying then now to selling. So what whenever you see that the trend bend. So what you should do is, it was forming higher highs lows here, and then all of a sudden it has broken, and is now forming lower highs, lower lows like this. What you do when it will be what? What should you do? Somebody should tell me. Should you be buying or you should be selling? Are you sure?
Once it changes from
This is not even different. Market is forming higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. It breaks down. It's not forming lower, lower, low, high, lower, low. It shows that the trend has been. So from here, this is this is the place the trend change from. So here, once you see something like this, so how to know the trend of the market? Look for the previous high and low. I will still teach us how to mark out for high and low. You in your journey, because what you will see in the market in the is that nobody is marking high and low for you. Nobody. So you are the one that will show and you have to know where the highs is, where the low is. So I will still teach us how to mark out correct highs and lows. So whenever is something like the market is from higher and low goes down, it shows that the trend has changed. It has bent. So what you should do also is also that you should start selling with them. So I will quickly go to the second one. If you are in hand trend, market is coming this, like this, it's forming lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. All of it higher. So that means it's easy. Now, market is forming lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. Instead of forming lower high, going down from here, it now went from forming lower low to high, because this new high is higher than the previous lower high. So just now, from here, let me draw a vertical line. I think I should be able to draw a vertical line. Where is vertical line? Vertical. Sorry. Why can't I find the vertical line? Okay, let me just use. So from here, let me use this one. From here, I drawn the shows that it changed. So for this side, if before, this is before we are buying. Now this is our thing disappearing. Is here. What should we do? Okay, hello. And the same thing also for this from here at the market lower high, we now formed higher high. So this is our before, our before, then in our after. this as simple as that. Even this class is more deeper than the one that I explained in the last class. More deeper, more deeper. So we just have few more minutes to go. So before we round up, I will just give one kind. I hope nobody has questions in this explanation that I have given. Nobody, I believe I don't have questions, or is there any? Okay, since nobody's talking, I hope that there is no question. There is no question. So quickly, let's just touch one or two issues.
You should buy.
Remember, I said that
What is
that
changes from that trend?
is always telling us stories, and the stories are written in candles. Yeah, I
Okay.
said the chart language. The stories are written on the chart in form of different patterns, and the most is the what we call Japanese candlesticks. And we have two types of
So
colors of candles. We have the green and the red candles. If you see the one that we are explaining here, also you see that we have green and red candles. This is a life, is a new chart, the kind of ones we are going to be dealing with when we start trading for real. You start seeing green and red candles. So all these things are stories. They are written. So those kinds have meaning. They are like code explaining something to us. So we have some common candles. I just want to mention a few. A few. I feel I've explained a lot today. And I we have less than 5 minutes to go. So I will mention let's say like four or five. I will the first one I'm going to do is I'll talk about AMA is the name. So quickly talking AMA, don't know AMA will look like this, like normal in the real world. AMA on the forex chart, they will look like this. Like this, we have week like this small, and then long week at the bottom. This is what we call armor. If you remember, according to the last class, we said that the candle patterns for green candles, we said that the open will be below and the close will be above, because green candle is up, is bullish, and for red candle the open will be above, the close will be below. So now for armor, it means that when the price opened at this lower part, because it actually closed down here, so when it opened, people actually maybe they sold it, and when price got to this price level, this is a level, actually is a price. A lot of people that this is very cheap from and push the price up to this level. You know, this level supply. So the want and demand and price of the story that is that people bought. It's like a buy. So whenever you see this hammer, whenever you see hammer on the chart, but maybe you see it, let me just
Yes.
illustration of for instance, you have drawn this level, point B, you have point and you have to the online. So you are this point A, this point B. You are now waiting for this point C to touch. You are waiting for price to touch the level. Whenever you use this level and you see you see that buyers want to take charge. So it's a signal to buy. Price wants to go up because a lot of people wanted wanted to buy. Wanted like please I wish to get
Yes.
all right. Um, for shooting star is just like the opposite. Is like the opposite of hammer. I'm trying to rush because of time. I want to. So, the opposite of hammer is shooting star. To look like this, and it can have maybe a small wick. And so the color, let's make it red. The color usually should be red. Some people call it inverted hammer or shooting star. So what's the meaning? This is shooting star. Let me write the name. This is hammer. This is hammer. And then the second one, oh gosh, this is because you know that for red candle, the supposed to be low according to the last class. So it shows that when the price opened here, this is the beginning. It started here. Maybe it first went up and then a lot of people they saw this price as very very okay. Price and keep lower and lower till it close here. So it's a signal for what? Who can guess? What's the signal for this one? It's a signal for a sell. A signal for sell. Sorry, it's a signal for a sell. I think our time is fast spent now. I think I should stop here for now. I hope you really. So, how do you use this shooting star? Let me quickly use the illustration of that same range that we used. So, you have taught the resistance. You know that sell will always happen at the resistance level at, at a very high price where people are this is B. So you are now so when price now go to see a shooting star candle. So that candle is telling you that a lot of people find that this level is very very cool for them to sell from. So it shows you that people want to sell from that level. So it's a signal for you to sell. So this is where I'm going to be rounding it up here tonight. I'll round it up here tonight, and then next class we I said we have plenty more candles to discuss. After I explain candles, we just go into the strategies that I use and then some technical terms, and then we are good to go. Is there any question? We just have like 2 minutes left. Any question? So, since nobody said they have questions, so is someone trying to ask questions? Yeah, I want to say thank you. All right, all right. I want to say thank you for your time tonight, and I'll communicate the time for the next class on the channel. And the video for this class also hopefully will be available for people to actually go through and we learn what we have discussed tonight. Thank you for your time. Good night. See you some other time.